So this is the 330 Oxbo merger. I think it says it's Oxbo 330, 30 foot. If you just saw my last video, I just did this how I was up on the hill and I showed this. We're gonna rebuild this or redoing most of it for this winter. We're gonna put all new bearings, all new this whole new casing, all these arms, because this thing's getting whooped. We're doing that, and there's gonna be 2 new belts on 2 of these. This is one of them. Is this one? No, that one. I think the outside 2, I think. But this one definitely needs it really bad. But we just took off all of the rings, or whatever you want to call them, around them. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. This part 1, I guess. What are you doing? So, his birthday is the 13th, right? On Wednesday. But we're going to be doing that. And I'll see you later. Hey everybody, I'm just walking out of the house. It's what is it? 7 o'clock. It's the 12th, Tuesday. It's a snow day today. We're supposed to get dumped. There's just a dusting out, not even right now. It's 7 o'clock. I'm gonna go over and might do a spreading video. Feed truck. In the morning he does like 4.5 loads in the morning, 3 in the afternoon, and 2 some days, I think, maybe. I'm gonna just come into the spreader. I'm gonna wait for Jake to come and drive it. This is the this barn. It has sand in it, so we daily spread it, and it's the pre-fresh. They have their calves in there. I don't know if you can see their calves up in the end. There's a special pen. And then we go down back to the dry cows. And that's sand too, so we fill that up and then we go and spread it. If it's frozen, the manure is frozen, we have to spend all day doing all the barns. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for Jake. He hasn't gotten here yet, so I'm gonna just run it down to him. I don't think I can video it because this iPad doesn't have a tall enough thing. Well, maybe. Nope, but I'm gonna run it down. I'll see. Just got it backed in for him. He's scraping this side. It's the last side. He already did that side. He pushed all those. These are all dry cow, so they're all pregnant. Half are heifers that just came from the heifer barn and are pregnant, and the other half are just older cows that are second lactation or up. Jake wasn't here in time. It's like 7. It's almost 7:10 maybe. I think maybe. This is down back to something. This spreader's a Coon Knight 132, I believe. 132. If you saw, I already did a video spreading with this. But just bag this in. It's that. I'll see you when Jake gets done loading this, the first bucket. There's Jake. But I'll see you on the field. Going to that barn to spread manure.
Oh, joy.
Man, watch this road. It could be somebody.
It's icy at times.
Very rough. Isn't it, Jake?
Warning.
He's taking the bearings out.
Andrew doesn't know anything about anything.
I think that's gonna do it for this video. It snowed a bunch. Kind of sleet now. About 2 inches. But yeah, everyone give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And my next video will probably be the merger.